As the Betway Premiership returns from the international break, Kaizer Chiefs coach Nasruddin Nabi is faced with a welcome yet challenging dilemma, managing an increasingly crowded squad. Recent weeks have seen Chiefs make a statement in the transfer market, bringing in a wave of new talent, including Kanyisa Mayo, Lebohang Mabo, Sipesihle Ndlovu, Paseka Mayo, Tabisa Munyane, and Echos Igadoro. The club's investment reflects its ambition to mount a serious title challenge this season. However, the influx of new players has created a surplus of talent, leaving several squad members with limited playing opportunities. Nabi acknowledged the situation, emphasizing that the club is actively exploring options to ensure all players continue their development, and said yes, it is true that the squad is big. The club is working on ways to provide opportunities for players who haven't had consistent game time, either through loans or other arrangements. Young players in particular can benefit from gaining valuable PSL experience with other teams. Everyone is aware of this, and work is ongoing around the clock. The signing of Kanyisa Mayo stands out as perhaps the most notable addition. The young forward follows the footsteps of his father, Patrick Mayo, who starred for Chiefs between 2003 and 2007. Kanyisa joins the Sosa Giants after 3 seasons at Cape Town City and a brief spell at CR Belouizdad in Algeria, where he mostly featured off the bench. Now the stage is set for Mayo to showcase his talent in front of Chiefs' passionate supporters as the club continues to blend experience with youth in its pursuit of silverware. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.